Good morning this Monday, the 30th of September. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. It was a mixed session to end the week on Wall Street on Friday, with the Dow Jones rallying 0.33% to a fresh record high, while the S&P 500 lost 0.13% and the Nasdaq ended the day down 0.4%. Encouraging inflation data boosted investor appetite for stocks on the Dow Jones Industrials Index on Friday. August personal consumption expenditures price index, which is the Fed's preferred measure of inflation, increased 0.1% in the month, which met economists' expectations on a monthly basis. But the index rose 2.2% year on year, which fell short of economists' forecasts of 2.3%. While inflation remains under control, the Fed can focus on a sustained rate cut outlook to stabilise the US economy. Across the European region on Friday, markets closed in record territory as investors welcomed China's new stimulus announcement and investors assessed key economic data out in the region. The STOXX 600 rose 0.52% to a record high, while Germany's DAX added 1.22%, the French CAC rose 0.64%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.43%. France and Spain both reported preliminary inflation data that showed a drastic drop in inflation in the regions, which was welcomed by investors on Friday. Across the Asia markets on Friday, markets rallied, led by China's CSI index posting its best week in almost 16 years with a rise of 15.7% for the week, on the back of China launching a large-scale stimulus package in a bid to reignite economic activity in the world's second largest economy, which has been long awaited. Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 3.55% on Friday and 12.75% over the week, and Japan's Nikkei rose 2.32% on Friday after headline inflation eased to 2.2% from 2.6% in August. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 rose 0.1% to yet another fresh record high as a sharp rally for materials stocks offset losses among healthcare and real estate stocks. Mineral Resources led the winners on Friday with a near 14% boost, while Star Entertainment Group fell over 44% in the aftermath of investors responding to the company's released final FY24 results. De Grey Mining, the gold miner, rallied 3.4% on Friday after denying a media report that the gold miner had received a takeover offer from Canada's Agnico Eagle. Vulcan Energy Resources rose 5.8% on Friday after the company bought 100% of shares in geothermal wells operator Geo GmbH. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open the day up 0.27%, tracking the Dow Jones record on Wall Street on Friday. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.75% higher at $68.18 a barrel. Gold is down just 0.53% at $2,658 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.48% at $92.98 a tonne. The Australian dollar has further strengthened against the greenback to buy 68.99 US cents, 98.4 Japanese yen, 51.61 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration this Monday. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Brickworks from $29.50 to $31 and have downgraded the rating on the industrial conglomerate from a buy to a hold rating following the release of a robust FY24 result, including EBIT down 8%, but this did beat Bell Potter expectations by 11%. Core net debt increased to $682 million, and the outlook for FY25 remains subdued on a building products front. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Accro, following the formation of a pattern over a period of 23 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $1.07 to the range of $1.10 to $1.12, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday. Have a wonderful morning and day, and happy investing.